Nothing is free. Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss powerful English learning stories like this one. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that life is unfair? That no matter how hard you try, things just don't come easy? Well, today's story is going to change the way you think, because today we are diving into a powerful lesson. Nothing is free. Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a young boy named Arif. Arif was like many young boys, full of dreams, full of hope, but also full of complaints. Every day he would wake up late, avoid work, and spend hours watching others succeed. And every night he would say the same thing. Why is life so hard for me? His father, a hard-working farmer, would quietly listen. One day, his father decided it was time for Arif to learn a lesson. Early in the morning, before sunrise, his father woke him up and said, "Arif, today you will come with me." Arif groaned, "But father, I'm tired." His father smiled gently and said, "If you want a better life, you must earn it." Reluctantly, Arif followed. They walked through fields covered in morning dew. The air was fresh, the sky painted with soft orange light. After a long walk, they reached a big farm. There, people were already working hard. Sweating, digging, planting, no one was complaining. Arif watched them and said, "Why are they working so hard? It looks painful." His father looked at him and replied, "Because they understand something you don't." Arif frowned. "What is that?" His father paused, then said slowly, "Nothing in life is free." Arif didn't fully understand, but he stayed quiet. His father handed him a tool and said, "Start working." At first, it was difficult. His hands hurt, his back ached, sweat rolled down his face. He wanted to quit. Again and again, he thought, "This is too hard." But every time he looked around, he saw others still working. No excuses, no complaints, just effort. And then something changed. Slowly, Arif began to feel something new. Not pain, but strength. Not frustration, but pride. By the end of the day, he was exhausted. But when he looked at the field, he saw rows of crops that he helped plant. For the first time, he felt proud. His father walked up to him and asked, "How do you feel?" Arif smiled softly and said, "Tired, but happy." His father nodded. "That happiness comes from earning something. You see, Arif, when you get things for free, you don't value them. But when you work for something, it becomes a part of you." That night, Arif didn't complain. He didn't blame life. He just lay in bed thinking about the people he saw, thinking about the effort, thinking about the truth. Nothing is free. Days passed and something amazing happened. Arif changed. He woke up early, he worked hard, he stopped complaining. He began helping his father every day. He learned new skills, he respected time, he respected effort. And slowly, his life improved, not because of luck, not because of help, but because of his effort. Now, let me ask you again. Are you waiting for something without working for it? Are you expecting success without effort? Because the truth is simple. Success is not free. Happiness is not free. Dreams are not free. You must work. You must struggle. You must grow. Because every great achievement comes with a price. Years later, Arif became one of the most respected people in his village, not because he was lucky, but because he learned early the value of hard work, the power of effort, and the truth that nothing is free. So today, remember this story. Whenever you feel lazy, whenever you feel like giving up, whenever you feel life is unfair, just remind yourself, if I want it, I must earn it. If this story inspired you, if you learned something valuable today, then don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who needs motivation, because your support keeps this journey going. And remember, nothing is free, but everything is possible if you work for it. Subscribe now and start your English learning journey today.